Stop by and take a look at the 2019 UX. The Lexus UX compact SUV is large enough to provide you functionality, but small enough to allow you to zip around town. An upscale interior reminds you that you're in a Lexus and will be sure to make you smile to know you're behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.